Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make McDonald's-style eggs. We'll start by gathering a few simple ingredients you likely already have in your kitchen. Then, I'll guide you through the easy steps to achieve that iconic fluffy texture and perfect round shape. You'll be able to enjoy a delicious homemade breakfast sandwich in just a few minutes, right in your own home. Let's get cooking. For each serving, you'll want to crack 2 large eggs into a small bowl. To get that signature creamy texture, add about 1 tablespoon of milk. A small pinch of salt will really bring out the natural flavor of the eggs. Before cooking, melt approximately 1 teaspoon of butter in your non-stick pan over medium-low heat. This ensures your eggs won't stick and adds a lovely richness. Once your butter is melted, gently whisk your egg mixture until it's just combined, but don't overmix. Pour the mixture into your preheated pan, using an egg ring if you want that perfectly round shape, or simply freehand. Cook the eggs slowly over medium-low heat for about 2 to 3 minutes on each side. This gentle cooking is key to achieving a tender, fluffy result. Your eggs are ready when they are firm to the touch but still wonderfully tender. Carefully slide your perfectly cooked egg from the pan. Now, for the best part, assemble your breakfast sandwich. Place your egg on a toasted English muffin, add a slice of American cheese, and perhaps some crispy bacon or sausage. Enjoy your delicious, homemade McDonald's-style breakfast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.